Hello YouTube fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create TRC20 Flash USDT using a smart contract. So what is Flash USDT? Flash USDT is the same as USDT with the same contract address as USDT, but remains on the blockchain for a brief period of time. You can create Flash USDT by using software or by using smart contracts. But in my opinion, the best way is to use smart contracts since this method is proven. So before starting, let's just clear some misconceptions that have been circulating in the market and get the facts straight. So most of the videos you see say that Flash USDT stays on the blockchain for 60 days, which is completely false, and in reality it stays on the blockchain for a maximum of 5 minutes or 20 blocks. So you must be thinking, what's the point of generating Flash USDT for 5 minutes? Well, here's the catch. These Flash USDT acts as normal USDT and can be swapped for other tokens like TRX. So we instantly swap these USDT for TRX as it is an irreversible process, and hence we make our profit. So the smart contract we are going to use will have two main functions. The first one is generating Flash USDT, which generates the Flash USDT using a vulnerability in the original USDT contract. And the second one is a function that converts the USDT to TRX to avoid the loss and hence makes the process irreversible. Also, before starting, let's have a look at the structure and how much TRX is required to trigger the smart contract. The minimum TRX required is 800 TRX. After that, here is the structure list. You can generate as much Flash USDT as you want, so let's get started on how to deploy a smart contract and generate Flash USDT. The first thing we are going to do is transfer our assets from a CX to a wallet. In our case, we are transferring TRX from CoinEx to our TronLink wallet. The TRX will be used for gas fees and for generating the Flash USDT. You need to install the TronLink wallet on your Chrome browser or whatever browser you are using as a browser extension and set up your TRX wallet. Now copy the wallet address and transfer the TRX from the CEX to your TronLink wallet. You will need a minimum of 1000 TRX, 800 for generating Flash, and 200 you will need as gas fees. This is the smart contract we are going to use to generate the Flash USDT. I would suggest you go through the full contract once as it is open source. Copy the whole contract. I will provide the link you see here in the description if anybody uses it to try it. Again, it is just for educational purposes and not investment advice. Go to tronide.io. Make sure you are on the correct URL. This is the platform we will use to deploy the smart contract on the Tron chain. Create a new file and name it Flash USDT and press enter. Now paste the copied contract here and compile the file. The contract name is Tron Flash USDT bot. Go to the compiler section and select compiler 0.6.12 and compile the code. Yup, the code is compiled successfully. Now go to deploy and run transactions and select injected TronWeb and connect your TronLink wallet. If connected successfully, your account address along with its balance will be displayed on the account section. Now from the contract dropdown, select Tron Flash USDT bot. On the deploy part, you need to give the token address and token name. The token address will be the contract of USDT on the Tron chain. I will provide the USDT contract address in the video description. Just copy it and paste it in the token address part. In the token name section, fill it as USDT. Click on Transact, and it will ask for a fee to deploy the contract on-chain. Accept it and deploy the contract on-chain. You can see your deployed contract under Deployed Contracts. Make sure the token address is the same as the USDT contract address. Now copy the contract address and check whether it has actually been deployed on-chain. You can use any TRX Explorer. I will paste the contract address on TronScan. We can see that the contract named TronFlash USDT bot has actually been deployed on-chain. The next part is financing the contract. I will fund it with 1,000 TRX. This will give me around 100,000 USDT. And yes, the contract is successfully funded with 1,000 TRX. Now let's create our Flash USDT. I will call the Generate Flash USDT function, and it will create around 100,000 Flash USDT by using a vulnerability in the USDT smart contract. Now let's check the wallet, and yes, 100,000 USDT is successfully reflected in our wallet. Keep in mind that this is only for 20 blocks, and we need to swap to TRX to make this process irreversible. Call the Convert to TRX function, and it will convert the 100,000 USDT to TRX. Let's check our wallet. We have around 320,000 TRX in our wallet. This is a permanent balance and can be used for trading, P2P, etc. Also, you can generate as much USDT as you want. Just make sure it is above 800 TRX, which is the minimum threshold. If you need any help, just message me here and I will revert back. Also, this is just for educational purposes and not investment advice.